Hey Megan, Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video. Today we're going to talk about orange restoration and how you fit into the web space and also your competitors, in hopes that we can guide you to a better future to help you grow your business. So with that, let's get to it. So I really like on how you have these different tabs here on the top. You have your phone number. It's like a call call to click, and let's kind of scroll down. Overall, it looks pretty good. Looks like you have a few keywords here. Um, Looks like you got one here. Not too bad. But before we get any further, I want to talk to you about three different ways I know you can be found on Google. So, way number one is this sponsored up here. Um, ServPro looks like ServPro has this slot. So that's way number one is a sponsored ad. Um, Way number two is in this map pack area. These three top positions are organically in the map pack, and you need, in order to obtain one of these three slots, you need what's called citations in order to rank up here. It looks like you're doing very well for yourself. You guys are ranked second in the organics. Um, Express here again, that's a sponsored, so they're paying to get that slot there. Um, so the third way that you can get found is in these organic section. Um, but let's back up a little bit. I just want to say that 30% of your clients will find you here. 70% will find you in these three top spots in the organics. So if you're not on these three top spots, because most people will just scroll down to these down here. So then if you're not listed in the top three spots, you're just leaving money on the table. It's simple as that, as how it goes. So with that being said, let's take a quick look on your website again and what Google looks for. And from the looks of it, it looks like you do have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So let's take a quick look. And orange restoration, you do have about 1,500 words of content. So it looks like you have enough of what Google looks for, and anywhere in between there and 2,000, which is pretty good. Looks like you could probably use a few more areas that you need keywords. Um, so let's kind of take a quick look at your competitor and see what they're doing in content. Alright, so let's take a quick peek. Okay, and it looks like they are not saving keywords to every 250 in their home page, so it doesn't look like they're doing much as far as that goes, because I don't see any. Okay, right here, this is um, your competitor right here, and this is how many words of content they have, so they're pretty much overdoing it. You don't need to do all that. So as far as content goes, that's pretty much in a nutshell what they're doing. Um, so let's take a quick look on what your website's doing on a tool. It's called Ahrefs. This is a live view of what your website is doing currently. So you have the strength and the trust of a scale of 100. You have 188 referrings with 44 organic keywords tied to your web page. So you have 268 organic traffic. Okay. So let's look at your keywords. So these are the different keywords that you are using. Excuse me. That you have. Flood restoration San Diego. Looks like you have some pretty good keywords here. San Diego water damage, that's 250 volume, that's pretty high. Flood damage, sincere water damage professionals, Anaheim. Okay, I don't think that you would need that one. Maybe you would need that one, but and see what else. Quick try San Diego. Okay, that's not very much. So let's take a quick look at your competitors and see what they're doing. So theirs is a little bit higher than yours, not by much. They have a 1.2 thousand organic keywords. You only have 44. So with that power and everything, you should have the same as them. Look at their organic traffic. They got 3,000 people running through that business every day. So that's pretty much the organic traffic that they are receiving. You're only getting about 268. So they are definitely dominating that space. And that just goes with proper SEO backlinking. And also, they're using a lot of powerful keywords. Let's take a quick look at which ones they are using. And they're probably using national ones as well. So don't let that number scare you. So they're probably using some national keywords that are usually hard to rank for locally. So like Bill Howie, that's a national keyword. Like look at that search volume right there. I mean that's and they can't. I mean if you don't, it's no harm no foul if you don't have that. So they got like see they're mainly plumbers, so that's why they're taking this area. Look at that 400 search volume here. So that's pretty much the reason why they're taking um, water damage restoration. So they are in the third slot. So if you scroll down, you're actually in the fifth slot. So you're like right behind them. Certified restorations got you guys beat a little bit. Um, but in a nutshell, I mean, um, that's pretty much it. Um, that's pretty much all I have for you, Megan. Just remember the three things we talked about being found. Uh, your sponsors, your map pack area, which requires citations, which you guys are doing a really good job at. Um, and also, you want to rank on these top three spots, which are the organics. So, with that being said, Megan, if this is something you need a guide for to help you um, grow your business, then feel free to reach out. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach my website at Joshua at Peterson SEO Consulting. And if not, no harm, no foul. This is your information, free to use. Do what you will with it. And with that, I hope that I hear from you soon. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.